Hello WordPress website creators. I just completed setting up this wonderful website. This is a website for schools, preschools, kindergarten schools with all those features that we actually need for primary school websites. I used a very good WordPress theme. Why I am saying good, it is coming from the design themes who are the icon in the WordPress theme developments, and they are of course Power Elite author. So the theme is Pallikoodam, and it is a dedicated WordPress theme for school websites. Yes, it can be used for training centers, academy, school, preschools, college, university, online instructors, and all. And I got this colorful website actually with all great layouts, elements, and useful elements, we can say. And even we have internal page ready to use. So the demo website is live on my domain, and it actually matches the original demo layout provided by the theme developers. It clearly means I have successfully installed all the elements, and I got all the demo content in this installation process. It hardly took 10 minutes for me, and all internal pages are here. So I can start customizing my website. When you are targeting a website using WordPress, the first thing that you need to work on is choosing a perfect WordPress theme. On this channel, WP Themes, you can compare and choose hundreds of WordPress themes, channel plugins, and there are how-to guides, and I am sure you are a regular visitor. In this video, we are going to discuss the Pallikoodam school WordPress theme, and I'll give you the complete insight of this theme, what are the features available, what are the customization options, so that you may take a wise decision about this theme. So as I said, you have 20s of themes on this channel, plugins are there to choose and compare. So this is not only the theme in the business category. You can choose and compare among 20s of themes, and just choose only that one that meets your requirements exactly. And yes, just in case if you need any advice, any guidance, any consultancy, we are here. Just a click away through the iCreate program on the live chat. You can connect a mentor who can help you in every manner in completing your website. Okay, right. So this is the dashboard of the backend, and I'm going to quickly show you what are the navigations here. Why you need to watch this complete video. Without purchasing and installing this theme, you cannot take views of these all things that I am showing in the video, and until you know all the options, what exactly you can do, how you can proceed for customization, what are the features actually coming with the theme pack, you should not buy this theme or any other theme. So this is the purpose of the video, to give you complete insight. So I can say the multiple plugins, okay, that I installed, and all got installed in a very successful and smooth manner. It is always important to take theme from the themeforest.net, and the link has been given in the video description. The link is actually an affiliate link, and when you are buying the theme through the video description link, you need to spend $59 at themeforest.net. You'll get the quality check by Envato, the future updates versus this theme, 6 months support from the design themes who are the original theme developers. In addition to this, we are going to help you in completing your website using our iCreate program. So you are going to be a member, a free member, yes, at our iCreate platform, and you can get all the supports regarding your WordPress website. So this is all about the introduction, and we can now go ahead for checking all the background things, all the backend things. Here are the plugin list. Contact Form 7 as well. Design Theme Core is a core plugin that has been developed by the theme developer, and I am going to delete. Okay, and design themes portfolio add-on. Elementor is the page builder. Jet elements for Elementor for enhancing the capability of Elementor. Further jet tabs and jet tricks are here. All these plugins are included in the theme pack. you don't need to purchase any additional theme until you are willing to have any additional feature at your website. And as I said, you can take our help in all respects. So these are the plugin list. The WooCommerce is also here in case if you are planning to sell courses or the course elements, books, and related things to a school website. You can easily do it using the WooCommerce platform. It is integrated, well integrated. And if we talk about the next features, I can see the portfolio where you can handle the portfolio elements displayed on the website simply using the Elementor page builder. You can add new portfolio. Similarly, we have the header elements. So you can control the header part of the website here, and similarly we have footers and the product templates that can be edited using Elementor page builder. Elementor is very easy to use page builder. To upload the products, when you are selling the products online, you can use the products and WooCommerce section. There are some products already uploaded in the demo content. You can follow the same pattern of listing the products. Very simple, and we can go ahead for checking next of the things. Coco Block is an amazing thing to add certain features on the website, and we are using this feature at multiple websites and it works fine. So you can configure the elements that you may need for your website as well, and it is included again. So through the Coco Block, actually we have installed the Jet Elements, Jet Tabs, and Jet Tricks, 3 plugins that is already active. Further, we can use more plugins like Jet Appointment, Jet Product Tables, and new features as well. I must show you the media items before we proceed further. How many media items was included in the demo content? So I got 352 media items that mostly demo images are here, and you can use some of these at your website as required, but of course you need to upload your own images. Okay, after Coco Block we have this options like plugins. I have already shown you the slider revolution. I must show you for editing the hero image area. This is the slider area where you can edit the content. And you might be wondering where I use the demo content import. So here is the option under tools menu. We can find the demo content install, and the installation is very smooth and clear. So I'm not covering that part in the video because it is so simple as we are doing in other themes. So you just need to install all set of plugins along with the theme pack and just hit on install. It will bring all the demo content at your installation at your hosting. And if you have yet not taken the hosting and domain, simply follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website, you will find everything that you need for your website. So I think this can be a very good choice, but yes, you have options to choose and compare other themes as well. And if you have any questions regarding this theme, if you need any support regarding installation, customization, and anything, simply reach us on the iCreate program where you can connect a mentor on a live chat. You can be a member there when you are buying the theme through the video description link that is on themeforest.net, of course, and you get all the supports. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.